We are finally at the airport. It's a busy day at work, and then we finally like chill and then pack everything, and then like I shower my hair, haven't even blew my hair, and then we're just like damn cui, and it's a lot of people. We are finally flying. Oh my god, the lounge is crowded.
No, we need to separate.
Huh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. You hungry? We're finally at Melbourne Airport, and we are so cold. I'm trembling actually. We have finally gotten our car, and now we are driving to our first restaurant of the trip. So we are going to Sailor's Rest to rest. He's excited, he's gonna drive. He's driving. And then my brother and my parents are in the other car in front. So we got like the Hyundai i30 car. It's a hatchback car, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we got the white car and they got the red car. It feels like Keppel Bay. Wow.
Wow, so scary looking this car.
Cunningham
Should we park
Pier.
here?
You just follow them up.
Cunningham.
So pretty.
It's free parking here.
So cool!
Hello.
Where are we going now?
Sailor Rest.
Oh, Sailor Rest is
Rest.
there. Hi everybody. Yeah, so we are now at a Sailor's Rest for lunch here, and I'm very, very hungry already. Yeah. head off soon. So cool.
Oh, you look nice.
What you getting? So we went to Westfield, Geelong, and went to their coast. It's like their supermarket, and it's free parking. Not sure how we got it, and it's very interesting because they like their parking is like they recognize the license plate one, so it's a good thing. We're heading back to the hotel to check in, and it's 4:14 now. So where are we now?
Squire Loft.
What are we gonna do here? Parked along this area. So this is the restaurant that we are gonna have our dinner at. So sad. The place is fully booked and then we didn't make reservations, so we are stranded outside now. I think something is coming. Can you see it? The train is coming. Like shit. What?
Cool shit.
Cool sheet. Ooh. This is our designated car park for our hotel. So when you park at our hotel Geelong, this is where you are supposed to go.
Daddy.
Oh my god. Okay, it's temporarily closed. What's happening? What's happening?
I don't know.
Temporarily closed.
Where are you going now?
Going back to hotel.
East Valley.
Eastern Valley.